Okay, we're going to look at some exam questions and let's just get started. Okay, here we are. 7 cars of different manufacturers, of which 3 are silver, are to be parked in a straight line. In how many different ways can all the cars be parked? Well, let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. How many different ways can they be parked? Well, there's 3 silver cars and there's 4 other cars. They don't talk about the color. There's 7 different cars. I mean, they all might be different. There's 7 different cars. So how many ways can you arrange 7 things in 7 places? Well, that's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. If you remember, in the first spot, you've got 7 cars to choose from, and if you put a car there, then there's 6 cars. It's 7 factorial, and that's 5,040. Now, you can use the permutation formula. It will work too. It's 7 factorial. How many? But you're 7 things in 7. You have 7 things to choose from in 7 different locations, 7 different boxes. So 7 minus 7 is 0 factorial. That's actually 1 on your calculator. So it gives you the same answer. Now, but what if you have the 3 silver cars had to be parked to each other? How many different ways can they be parked? Well, let's take a look at how you do that. And the main thing you have to think of is actually just tie a rope around the 3. Imagine the 3 silver cars are tied together. They kind of form 1 car. So that means the 3 silver cars are like 1 car, and then there's 4 other cars. And if you look at the solution, you've got 5 factorial. You treat the 3 silver cars as if it was 1 choice of car. The number of ways you can arrange it is 5 times 4. It's just 5 factorial. But the number of ways that you can arrange the 3 silver cars is 3 factorial. And you multiply those possibilities together, and that's how you come up with 720, and that's the answer. You could also use the formula again, but in this one, it's just really easy. You've got 3 silver cars, which is 1 kind of choice. With the other 4 cars, you'd have 5 choices in the first one, then 4, then 3, then 2. Once you've chosen 4 of them, you only have 1 car left to choose from. That multiplication gives you the ways you can arrange the silver and the other 4 cars. And you know that there are 6 different ways, 3 times 2 times 1, you can arrange the silver cars. You multiply them together, you get all the possibilities. I hope this helps. This is a real exam question, and it gets a little tricky, but if you know how to do it, it's not hard at all.